Alright guys, this is going to be a really quick video, but basically what I wanted to show you is how to service your Rough Country upper control arms. So if you recall, I replaced my factory control arms with the forged aluminum Rough Country upper control arms, and those have a grease fitting or a Zerk fitting up on top of the control arm for the ball joint down below. So what we could do is we could service these over time and basically load them up with grease. So in order to get access to that, you got to remove this cap. Now I've seen on some control arms where that cap is taped on, but with the Rough Country ones, it's basically taper fitted in there, so it's pressed in there. So really what you need is a flathead jeweler's screwdriver, and you just need to get up underneath that lip and just slowly pry it up. And there you go. It basically pops off like that. This isn't in the instructions, so I figured I'd film a video to show you what it looks like and how to remove it. So like I said, it's just taper fitted in there, so now you have access to that Zerk, and you can go ahead and grease it and then just reinstall your cap. And all you gotta do is just put this on top and then press it down. I'm gonna go ahead and grease this and get the cap reinstalled, and we're good to go. But again, I just wanted to show you how to remove that cap. It wasn't in the instructions. I called Rough Country today just to confirm that it was a press fit one, it wasn't a tape down one, just in case I need to get some tape for it. But since it's press fit, grease it, pop it right back on. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.